Unveiling the unique benefits of black skin, nature's masterpiece. Black skin boasts higher melanin levels, offering enhanced protection against harmful UV rays. This natural defense helps reduce the risk of skin cancer and sun damage significantly. Black skin ages beautifully, showcasing resilience with fewer wrinkles and fine lines over time. Its unique structure allows for better moisture retention, keeping skin hydrated and radiant. Culturally, black skin symbolizes strength and beauty, celebrated in art, fashion, and history. Celebrate and embrace the beauty of black skin. Subscribe for more insights.